Hello world, Intro FPV here, and today I'm pretty excited. I had mail day the other day and I got some new replacement parts to put in my firstborn build here. I've been using these Walkiria motors that I got off my Runner 250 Advance. I've been sparing pieces off of that for a while now, and these were the last things I could spare off of them. And the other day I fried the motor here. Somehow it started smoking when I came in, so it's a goner. Time to replace it. And I'm going to replace it with these sweet MasterPilot, Team Black Sheep MasterPilot motors. They are 2750 kV, 2306 size, and they're pretty nice. I haven't seen too much about them on the net, so I thought I'd give them a try. They ran about $15.99 a piece, so that's not a good, that's not a bad deal. It's pretty good price on good name brand motors. I didn't want to spend too much money on them, on motors, since I was going to put this on what I consider my beater quad. So I didn't want to go overboard and spend $25 and up spending over $120 on 4 sets of motors. So at that price I should have gotten 5, the rule of thumb in this hobby, but for some reason I didn't. I mean, the shipping's so fast from Get FPV where I got them from, so I mean I'd get another set in no time, so I'm not really too worried about that. But the idea was to push these Racecraft 5051s, so I wanted to get something big and powerful, make sure I can push those, and to complement the motors I'm going to replace these 20 amp ESCs that I have on there now with these Spedix 30 amps. The ones on there now are DYS, which they've been doing the job, but I want to make sure I have enough power to push these motors, so I'm going to upgrade to some 30 amps. But yeah, these TBS motors look pretty nice. I like that black on there, the bottomless. Looks good. Of course, he's still got that little seat clamp on there, so replacing the bell or getting in there to clean it if it gets dirty, it's going to be a little bit of a hassle. But I mean, what you going to do for $15.99? It's a good name brand motor. So yeah, I look forward to putting these bad boys on here. I'll be doing that, putting the motors in, replacing the ESCs, and I'll go from there and see how she looks when she's all done. Nice and pretty and shiny, ready to go. So, time to get to work. And we're back. Just finished getting the new motors and new ESCs on my firstborn build. I gotta say, I like that black look. It's really nice. The prop's gonna be... yeah, I think that's gonna look pretty good. So let's get her plugged up here. Make sure we don't have any smoke. Maybe it was nothing. No smoke. Alright, looks like we're good to go. And pretty noticeable size difference, I think. But yeah, so I'll go take this, plug it up to butterflight, make sure she's good to go, and then take her out for a spin, see how she does. Alright, got the new motors on, new ESCs on, got them going the right way. So we're about to try them out. New TBS MasterPilots I'll put on, and with butterflight. Running 8K now that I have some D-Shot 600s. Before I was running 882, I think it was. So this should be a better experience, I'm hoping. But yeah, here we go. back in from flying the new TBS MasterPilot Motors that I just installed on my new, well, not on my new, but on my Martian 2 frame. I'm pretty impressed for a good $15.99 motor. They're pretty good. When I did come in, though, I did notice they were a little toasty, a little warm to the touch, but nothing too extreme. I was running these 5048 props here, so I decided I switched them out real quick and put some 5040s on there. See if maybe that'll make a little bit of difference. Go ahead and I already put a new battery on there. I'm ready to try it out again. I really enjoyed flying that first time, so yeah, I was pretty impressed. I liked them. I like them a lot. So I'm sure I'll probably be getting a couple of more of these just as a backup. Can't beat it. Again, $15.99. Yeah, so if you're interested, look them up. TBS MasterPilot 2306. These are the 2750 versions. I think there's a 25 or 24 something or another, but I went with the 2750 because I wanted a little more punch. But anyway, that's it for now. Appreciate you guys sticking with me. Thanks for watching.